it's me, Clappy. Do you know where I'm at? I am my Kingdom toy store. Wow, so many beautiful toys here. Cannot wait any longer to discover it. Let's go. Come here. Wow, I found so many cars here. Let's go. Ooh, this is a truck. We are. Wow, a red truck. So nice, huh? Next one. Do you know what is this? This is a super big excavator. Wow, so nice. It has 2 cars here. Wow. Ooh, you know what type of car it is? Can you guess? This is an ambulance. Wow, yeah. We are. So nice. It has light here. Oh yes, something inside too. Can you see? So detailed. So nice. It has wheel. Nice. Okay. Move on to the next car. What is this? Reuse, reduce, recycle. Do you know what it means? It means this is a garbage truck. Ooh, it takes your garbage from home to the dumpster. Ta-da! What car is this? Wow, so big. It's bigger than my face. This is a fire truck. Ooh, it throw out water like this. To save fire. So nice, huh? Put it back. Wow, ooh, it has the water fill. Okay, next one. This is a mixer truck. Ooh, it has can and it can mix like this. Wow, so nice. Wow, it has wheel inside too. Wow, it's so big, right? Oh, and heavy too. And do you know what color it is? It's a blue car. Wow, blue color. Next one, a white ambulance again. Oh, white ambulance. Wheel. What car is this? It's so big. Wow, how big is this? This is a tank truck. Oh my god, it's so big and heavy. It can carry fuel like oil in its tank like this. In its tank, it's full of oil in here. It can open. Look. Wow. Cool, huh? Okay. Yay! So let's see what another car is. Another excavator. It's yellow. It has yellow color. Like my shirt. Yellow color. Yay! It has a cat. Meow. Wow, come here. Look, I have a police car. Wow, police car. We are. So loud. Oh, wow, look here. I have a policeman. So nice. He had mirror. Oh, a shotgun. Okay, let's go on. Oh my god, a super big blue truck. Oh my god, I love blue color. It's huge. Wow, nice. Wow. So big. Blue truck. Ooh, and down here, a super big yellow truck too. Wow. Oh, it's even bigger than this. Wow, so long. Oh my god, it's tall half of me. So tall. Wow. Put it back. Okay. Ooh. Green is, you know what this is? This is an orange rescue vehicle. It can save your car if your car broke down the road. So nice. On the way to save somebody. It has light up here too. It can make noise to let people know it's coming. Okay, not bad. Come here. Oh, look what I found. Wow, so many cool motorbikes. Wow, a yellow one. I love yellow. So nice. So nice. Wow. Oh my god, seen a red one? Wow. Okay, put it back. A lot of helicopter. A blue one, a green one, green helicopter, and a gray one. Wow. What happened to its wing? Okay, come here. This is a police motorbike. It's super cool, guys. Police. Ooh, nice. Wow. Monster truck. Oh, here, monster truck. Wow, smash up. So nice. Oh my god, I got hit by a monster truck. Wow. Red monster truck. Wow. It's Red Bull monster truck. Nice. So many monster truck here. The green one, red one, green one again, gray one. It's a truck. Cat. So nice, huh? Oh my god, there's a supercar. Wow. So nice. Wow. Sports car. So beautiful. So nice. Black sports car. Can I take it out? As you see, oh, it's so cool. Oh, a white one. How nice. Oh, look here. Mini Cooper. So cute. I always want one. So cute. A red Mini Cooper and a yellow one. Wow, so many cars. It's car collection. Wow, it's like hundreds of this. Whoa, whoa. Wow, so many scooters. No. Wow, I love scooter. Wow, so fun. Wow, amazing scooter. I love this scooter. It's so cute. It has green and pink color. Nice. Wow, and here we have so many bikes too. A white bike, black bike, and a pink bike. Pink bike too. Oh, a yellow one. Nice. Red one.